Good morning, teacher and classmates. Activity important events in my life. Manuela Beltrán University, a signature English. My name is Diana Esmeralda Villalobos Serrano. And activity important events in my life. Okay. We continue with number 2. I choose 3 categories. Your favorite vacation, and a childhood memory, and your favorite moment at school. Okay, we continue with number 3. My favorite holiday. Question number 1. Where did you go? I went to Santander. As it was a lot of sand, I bronzed a lot. Question number 2. Who did you go with? I remember that I went with my boyfriend and some friends. We were very happy. Number 3. When was that vacation? We went to that trip over 7 years ago. It was very nice to meet so many beautiful places. We continue with childhood memory. Why was that situation important in your life? I remember when was I girl I liked horses a lot. One day I escaped on a horse to the school where I studied. How old were you in that moment? I was about 6 years old. Who were you with? On that occasion, I was with my father. Okay, we continue with your favorite moment at school. Who were you with? At that time, I was studying with my best friend, and nowadays we are still united with that time. Number 2. When did that event happen? We were studying high school. I was 6th grade in the year 2000. Number 3. Where were you? I was on my way to the soccer field in the Teodoro Aya Villaveses school in the city of Fusagasugá. My classmates were only women since it is a feminist school. Okay, we continue with number 4. The conclusion. With this activity, we can conclude that besides we have learning English, it is also nice to remember how we were as children and share it with our teacher and classmates. Okay, thank you.